Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing no crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Banana 6M. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Banana 6M, Banana $6 million token is a humorous homage to the absurdity of modern art and value perception designed to bring real utility to the art world. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this another detail. You can check here tokenomics. No taxes, no pre-sale, 100% pump fund, fair launch, supply. You can check here total supply. You can see this contract address. You can copy this contract address. You can see this picture. You can scroll down and next guy, you can check here another detail. You can see this mission banana $6 million inspired by the iconic $6 million banana art. This token redefines the art world by bridging digital and physical galleries. Serving as a payment tool, banana $6 million empowers artists, collectors, and galleries to connect seamlessly and transact securely. It's more than a meme, it's art meeting innovation. And next guy, you can see this video about this project Banana 6M in TikTok. You can play this video and watch this video completely and like and comment this video and share this video to our friend. You can check here. And next we go to this project roadmap phase 1 launch December 2024. Launch the Banana $6 million project, redefining art payments. Partner with our first physical gallery to demonstrate real use, engage the community with the exciting social media campaign. And next you can click here and see this phase 2 growth. Question number 1, 2025, expand partnerships with more galleries and artists, introduce galleries access keys pre-sale, strengthen Banana $6 million as a reliable payment tool. And next guys, you can click here and see this phase 3 platform development. Question number 2, 2025, introduce NFT ownership and gamification features. And next you can click here and see this phase 4. You can check here expansion. Question number 3 to question number 4, 2025, partner with major galleries and art platform globally, expand Banana $6 million into broader creative industries. And next guys, we go to this project store. You can click here and see this guy. You can see this Banana 6M art and gallery store. Our art pieces, all our pieces of art are available for purchase Banana 6M. If you are interested in any of them, click the button below to be guided through the ordering process. So guys, you can click here, then you can order now. The gorilla art, you can check here, price $5,000, location Dubai and UAE. This project Banana 6M starting our first partnership with Epic Gallery in Dubai. You can check here artist and gallery, Epic Gallery Dubai. And again, you can check here another art, Dire Rabbit, price $4,000, location Dubai UAE, artist and gallery Epic Gallery Dubai. And again, you can check here another art, Bitcoin Pisco, price $3,500, location Dubai UAE, artist and gallery Epic Gallery Dubai. And next guys, you can check here Batman art, price $3,000, location Dubai UAE, artist and gallery Epic Gallery Dubai. You can check here. If anyone interested, then you can contact now and order now in Telegram. You can contact us at the rate yan7531. And next guys, we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. So guys, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check it. Banana 6M official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can check here. Banana 6M is a platform for artists connecting AI agent, dynamic NFTs and physical galleries. You can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can see this. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Banana 6M official Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this chat and give information about this project. You can start order now, then you can purchase art, you can see the 306 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project desk screener detail. So guys, you can see the desk screener page is open. You can see this banana 6M on Solana. You can see this price chart. You can check here all transaction detail. You can see this liquidity $45k dollar. You can see this market cap amount $148k dollar. You can see this buy 97, sale 35, buyer volume 22.3k dollar, sale volume $624. You can check here buyers 90, sellers 34. If you want to buy, then you can click here, then you can enter your loan amount, then you can buy now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can buy now. If you want to sell, then you can click here and enter your banana 6M amount, then you can sell now. And next we back to the home page, and you can contact now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this. Do you want your artwork featured in our store? Have question about our token or one of the listed pieces on our platform? We love to hear from you. Don't hesitate to reach out and connect with us by filling this form. So guys, you can check here, you can fill this form, then you can contact now, enter your name, then you can enter your last name, enter your email, enter your message, then you can submit now, then you can contact now. You can see this location, you can see the location map in Dubai. You can check here, you can see these pictures. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.